right, so how the hell do you do an Instagram campaign? Well, you can do that through Facebook. So this is Facebook Business Manager. It is my Facebook Business Manager. Just looking at what I'm showing, nothing too bad. And all you need to do is this. So you're going to go here to this big green button that says Create. And then you're going to go create your ad. For most of the stuff, particularly in AOE, Inner Circle stuff's a different level. And so folks in my Inner Circle will know a lot more about these different marketing objectives. But for most of the stuff in AOE, what you want is a traffic campaign. So just click on traffic. And we'll just say it's our Insta campaign. So Instagram campaign, always, this is a new thing. There's shonky bastards, I tell you, at Facebook. That's brand new. That used to be their daily budget. Their daily budget was set, the default was set at $10. Yeah, like that. And now they've set it to $100. So if you don't spot that, you're going to blow $100 a day, which is, you know, bang out of order. Anyway, whatever. So most of these things for most of our purposes, particularly on Instagram, are cool. Click continue. I won't get into ad set names and shit like that. But listen, you'll create your audience. I'm not going to go into creating audience because I've got no idea what you're selling. But then you want to come here to placements and you want to edit your placement. And you just uncheck Facebook, uncheck audience network, uncheck Messenger, and you are left with Instagram. And so it's as simple as that. Now, quick tip, do not mix up your campaigns. So if I'm doing an Instagram campaign, that's the only place I am showing, all right? That's the only platform I'm showing my ad on, Instagram. If I am doing a Facebook campaign, then that's the only place I am showing my campaign on Facebook. I don't do Facebook and Instagram together. I don't do that. I keep them separately, and so should you, all right? Because it's better that way. But without going into all of this kind of stuff, which is something which will be dictated by what you're selling, of course, that's how you do an Instagram campaign. It's as simple as that. So the same rules apply for what I teach you in AOE for doing a product launch, for instance. If you want to add Instagram into that mix, exactly the same things apply as they do that I teach you in the modules for a Facebook launch. You can add in an Instagram launch, but don't mix up Facebook launch and Instagram launch. Do a campaign for Facebook and then do another campaign for Instagram. Keep them separate. That's the much better strategy. Hope that helps, Ebru. Hope that helps. Sarah says, Natasha's going to have to get me back in line. I know, I've just been so bad. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.